We're going to do Chickadee's Wild Ride. Yay! Round and round the yard. And she took off her hat.
Oh, she's eating it.
She's eating her hat.
Yeah.
You know that phrase?
What?
If this happens, I'll eat my hat.
Yeah.
I wonder what happened.
Yeah, me too. Hi. Oh, here she comes. Hi, easy girl.
Okay, that's all for now.